Alright you guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'll be explaining how to use our weapon management, our custom weapon management system. First thing first, you will need to have a civilian department. I did explain in a previous video on how to set up departments, so if you do not have a civilian department set up, or you do not know how to set up departments, check out the previous video on how to set up departments in our system, using our system. Alright, so first thing first, I get, to test this out for yourself, you have to get yourself access to the department by just going to your user management, clicking on your name, and selecting the department and adding yourself to the department. Or you don't have to do that if you're not trying to test it out for yourself. Alright, so I'm going to go back to dashboard to give you a prefix of what our civilian MDT looks like. I'm just going to put any identifier number. So this is what our civilian department look like. If you haven't used your civilian, or you haven't set yourself up as civilian, do that now and then come back. Alright, so once you do that, you'll click on Firearm Center, and then you can register your firearm, take your license test here. But one thing we'll be looking at is registering our firearm. First, I have to complete the license test. Alright, so I just completed my license test, which is just 2 clicks. Now I can register my firearm. Now, as you can see, Hydrotech already has default firearms in here. Just gonna put color. We already have default firearms. Alright, but when you go as far as setting up the weapon system, you go to civilian management. So that's where you'll find your weapon management at. You'll click on custom weapons, input the weapon name, which is going to be testing. For me, it's going to be testing Glock 19. I'm going to create the weapon, and then it's going to show up here. Now, if I was to go back to my civilian MDT, click on my name, go to Firearm Center, manage firearms, register firearms, and then your custom firearms will show up. So please note, if you do have custom firearms enabled, then the default firearms will go away. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. More tutorials will be coming soon on how to use our system.